What's good? What's happening? This is 777 FX Spatlenzama. Today I'm going to be covering Nasdaq. I'm really trying to figure out an intro, but yeah, today I'm going to be covering Nasdaq. I took an L on Nasdaq today. I think I'm about like 2% down on my funded account and also my live account. Okay, I'm way more than 2%. I think I'm like 50% down. It's like a very small account and I'm risking like 10% each and every trade. So I'm at least like 40 to 50% down. But it doesn't really matter. I will decrease my risk on the small account up until I get like to a better place, like where my initial deposit was, and then I'll start risking more and more and more. But on this trade, I'm risking the profit amount, which is around 1% of the funded account. Well, yeah, 1% of the funded account and about 10 to 20% of the smaller account. But let's just go over what happened today at Nasdaq. So as you guys can see, I had a video that I dropped about yesterday or 2 days ago, and I was analyzing Nasdaq, right? So I went on the monthly. Based on the monthly, we saw Putin on the monthly time frame. Price has been bullish here. It was rejection for monthly zone. Now we're looking for price to actually go up. All right. So we go down to the weekly. This week is actually still a bit bearish. There's about 2 days, basically 3 days left of the week. We do believe that this week will end up bullish. Okay. Alright, so let me explain why exactly I believe that. So now, first of all, I'm going to be looking at the overall trend again. So, guys, I'm very sick, so if you hear my voice a bit squeaky, trust, I'm sick as fuck. So these are all the up moves, you feel me? Retracement, up move, retracement, up move, retracement, up move, retracement of the bigger, daily uptrend. So this one was breaking all the lows, and then boom, another up move, retracement, another up move, and boom, we got our like order stacking. We got our mini consolidation right here. All right, so we got our consolidation at this point. Okay, so that is actually order stacking. So we know for a fact that now the BFIs are actually keeping price within this range for an extended amount of time so they can stack their orders properly. All right, so now we're trying to figure out exactly what type of order stacking or what type of order. So let me explain order stacking, okay? So well, let's just say we get like an uptrend, right? An uptrend, cool, right? There's an uptrend, right? And then we get like a little bit. Mind my drawing skills. This is ass, and this computer's slow as fuck. Okay, so let's just say we gotta move up. Sorry guys, my computer's slow for no reason. So let's get a move up. You feel me? And then we get like a retracement down, then we get like, you feel me, and then we get like another move up, and then we get like another move down, you feel me, I'm just gonna, you feel me, and then within this consolidation we understand, right, we understand that actually they have a lot of their orders. Let's say there was a turn here, right, so they've got a lot of their orders at this peak here. They are actually return price, right? So they are the order flow volume that we trade with. So now we know for a fact that they are the ones that actually started the uptrend, meaning they have buy orders at the bottom right here, okay? So now the goal for the consolidation, right? I call it retracement, but the consolidation, the order stacking. The goal for them is to actually get enough orders right here so they can continue moving price upwards, right? Because already they have buy orders down here. They don't want to push price to the downside and take out their buy orders right here, okay? So they're protecting their buy orders by stacking at this point so that they can place a lot of buy orders here at the bottom and then take the price up with a lot majority of their orders within this range. So that's what order stacking is. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I've explained order stacking. So right now, that is exactly what's happening. I think I just got triggered. So that is exactly what's happening. We all see that they have a lot of buy orders down here. As you can see, they were pushing price up. Meaning at this point right here, they have a lot of buy orders at all this lows. Position stacking, so they can't only enter one huge position at one like low or at one turning point. They actually put their positions at different lows. That's why you're seeing this buy orders here, and they couldn't place all of their buy orders because price moved quickly upwards after they placed their buy orders. So they pushed price down, tapped again, and then pushed price down, and then got their orders in here, and then finally broke these highs here. Okay, so we know for a fact that at all these lows, one, two, right, these are the major swing lows, okay. We know for a fact that at these lows, there's a bunch of orders, right? There's a lot of buy orders. So we doubt that price will come to this area right here. Okay. So now what we're looking for right now is we know for a fact that this is an uptrend. So we're looking for them to stack their orders again. And as you can see, there was this long candle to the upside, right? Everyone thinks it's gonna buy and then slams back down. Okay. So now they're stacking their orders. How do we see that they're stacking buy orders? We look at exactly what's happening within the order stacking and how the bullish moves are compared to the bearish moves, okay? Because we know for a fact that it's ranging between two price ranges, okay? So it's ranging between two prices, okay? So now we look at the buy orders, okay? So we look at this buy order right here. You feel me? Covered the sell, basically this move up covered the move down. You feel me? Meaning there's a lot of strength in the move down. And then we see a retracement, the sells, and then boom, another move up. You feel me? Let me move this thing, sorry. And then boom, another move up. You feel me? And then boom, a retracement again, and big retracement, and then boom, another move up. You feel me? And as you can see, the bearish orders, look here, the sells, look how long it takes for the sells to happen, how quick it takes for the buys to cover those sells, meaning there is bearish order flow volume, there's bullish order flow volume at the bottom here, and they're all holding their buys. So we are looking to take buys off of one of these lows right here, more specifically this low. So let me remove everything. Sorry, my computer's hella slow. Okay, so what we are looking to do, we go up to the 4 hourly first. Okay, so today Nasdaq actually took me out, but we'll go up to the 4 hourly. We look at this zone right here. This zone is printed in the middle, right? So we understand that there's no higher time frame macro zone right here. As you can see, there's no higher time frame macro zone. You can go on the daily. We'll see that the next supply and demand zone, the next order block is actually a couple hundred pips upwards. Okay, so we're looking here. This is the next sell. Okay, so now what I know from Nasdaq is it will sell before actually selling again inside the order block. So this bearish move right here just to entice the early sellers, right? They gave you guys a 1 day pinball or rejection type of candle. Then boom, they gave you guys what is this evening stock candlestick, okay, on the daily, which is okay, but now this is the sell before the sell. So it might happen that actually price does move down and come to this point right here, this daily swing low, because we remember we said that if price goes below here, then it invalidates our bias of bullish order flow volume within the market, meaning they've changed from bullish order flow volume to bearish order flow volume because they started liquidating all these lows right here, meaning they will enter short positions. So now we look at this area right here, they literally have no area to enter the massive short positions that will take price below to this point or even here. Okay, because now they will buy and sell where they previously bought and sold, and there's a lot of their orders within this range right here. Okay, so now we're looking for price to come to like come back inside the zone, maybe the deeper half of the zone. You feel me? Maybe the deeper half of the zone, and then we're gonna be looking for bearish moves to the bottom. Okay, so now this is the fake sell off. right? This is the initial sell off to entice the sellers and get everyone in the position so they can turn the position around and then take you guys out. They have enough liquidity to enter this area right here and start offloading their bullish orders and start entering their bearish orders. They sell their shorts. So that's why exactly I'm not taking the shorts. And so I'm not taking no sell. But if it does break below my area, this order block right here, then we will have an opportunity to take sales, meaning now it might go lower, 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 lower. Okay, but we're still, when we're looking at this bullish candle right here, right, there is, look at how beautiful this candle is, and look at this candle. This candle started taking out all these 4 hour highs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, didn't really go up to this high, but it broke at least 5 candle highs on the 4 hour, just one bullish candlestick. Okay, so that's why we're looking to take bullish orders, looking to take long positions upon the retest of the zone right here, and we're looking to take price upwards, and then we'll start seeing exactly what's happening up here. So I did actually say I took a L, and I was like, let me recover that. Let me go over the L before I actually end this video. Okay, so now we had an analysis on Nasdaq. Okay, so now this was like when Nasdaq was here. Okay, or yeah, this was when Nasdaq was here. Actually, no, like around here. Cool. So we understood that this move down right here had broken these lows. So this move down is the same move that had broken this low right here. Okay, and it didn't actually break this low. So now we were looking at the fact that we were looking to take short positions off this water block right here, and we were actually we had the high of the candle, right? We had the initial like move down, which means they have a lot of their orders. They have a lot of their sell orders within this area, right? Because they push price down. So we were looking for price to come back up to this area. Why not this area? Is because personally, right, which is a trading mistake, because now I didn't think the market would come up here, and anything is possible within the markets. Okay, I had like a epiphany of the market coming up here and actually hitting this order block. Because remember, there's a 50-minute order block within this. Don't just see it and say no, stuff is marking like random. There's a 50-minute order block within this. Okay, so price did actually come back up. This was half three. What happened actually? This is why another reason I'm looking to take buys is because, do you guys see this order block? Let me mark this order block. This last down move. Okay, this is the order block. This last down move before the move up, right? That actually broke these highs. So another reason I'm looking to take buys actually broke these highs, right? And then it spent a lot of time away, came back, tapped it, came back, tapped it. So the reason why I'm looking to take buys off this area is because we're holding this hourly order block, which is also a 4 hour order block. So yeah. So the basically price came down, tapped this area right here. This was NY open, came up here, and then I had entered here. I had a sell limit with my stop loss above 50 pips. It took me out. Well, yeah, it did take me out, and then I re-entered at this candle when it was going down, and then I had taken out completely. So yeah, so basically I'm looking for buys right now. That was the recap of the sell, but I'm looking for buys off of this order block right here. Now I'm just gonna be looking to take 120 pips and then a hold for the upside, because overall Nasdaq is bullish. Okay, so basically that's it from me today. This is 777FX usibahle wakanzama, the fucking forex millionaire, as you call it, the best trader alive. You feel me? Peace out.